Hi, Nikita. Today is an exciting day, right?
Because I'm gonna do my
Room makeover.
and these are the colors that I'm gonna use.
So we start a little bit, we pack some things up, and here was the TV. It's already on. I'm gonna show you how it's before. Yeah, it's a little bit messy, sorry for that, but you can see how it is now and how it's gonna be afterwards. So this closet will be here, I guess, and this bed is going to be over there. And what we're gonna do with this closet, we don't know.
Yeah, that closet's gonna go out. I don't want to. Yes.
Now we're gonna see, and here is going to be a TV play, a nice table. So we're gonna show you afterwards. So it's gonna be amazing. Stay tuned.
Do some paint color, and we are going, and we're now in a car. So stay tuned.
So we're gonna choose some colors. Now we're gonna see on yellow and pink.
Yeah. Yellow and
Maybe other side. We got it. These are the colors we chose. These are really nice.
and we have this.
Yes. What did you buy? Pineapple. You can hang your pictures on it. Nice. So this wall is white and this wall is pink. This is how it looks like now. We finished the paint. You see this wall is now pink and this wall is yellow. And we moved some furniture, and here's the closet now. Before it was here, so as you can see, it's a lot of mess right now, and soon it will be cleaned up and it's really beautiful. So this was it then. Are you happy with your room? Yes, it's really beautiful, and you have some stickers here,
And
and this is for the pictures. Do you like your makeup table?
yes.
Yes, everything is really nice. Now you can enjoy.
Until next time. Bye.